How to fix World app technical issues. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix World app technical issues. So let's get started. So the first thing that you need to do is simply restart your Wi-Fi, or if you're using Wi-Fi, you can switch to mobile data, or if you're using mobile data, try switching to Wi-Fi. If that doesn't solve your issue, then try turning off any VPN if you have, and then simply turn the VPN off. Once you do so, your issue would be fixed. If that doesn't solve your problem, you can head over to settings, go to general, scroll all the way to the bottom and click on shutdown. So simply restart your device and that will help you solve the problem. If that doesn't solve your problem as well, then you're going to head over to iPhone storage and then you're going to search for the World app over here. And then what you're going to do is click on offload app. So this will free up storage used by the app, but keep its documents and data. Reinstalling the app will reinstate your data if the app is still available for download. Click on offload app, click on offload app, and once done, you'll be able to see reinstall app. So this will reinstall the app and place back all the app data and documents that are still present on this iPhone. Click on reinstall app, and once the app is reinstalled, simply open it and your issue would be fixed. So that is how you can fix World app technical issues. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.